Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to unboxing this Barbie style studio gift sets. Wow, it is so pretty, so many accessories. You can see the mirror reflecting. This gift set comes with 4 different backdrops. This gift set comes with instructions and certificates of authenticity. Let's cut the string out. The mirror is battery required. Her high heels is transparent. She is Millie face sculpted with the made-to-move body. Her dress is separated pieces and the back closed with the snap. Let's open the lights up. The dresser comes with 3 drawers. First, let's remove the plastic. We got 2 perfume bottles. And next we get the bracelets hanger. And the triangle handbag, so cute. And the eyeshadow palette and the tiny lipstick. And we got a necklace with a mannequin display. And green sneakers and sunglasses and gold purses. Last, these gift sets have 2 separate outfits. Anyways, I hope viewers like my video. If you like this content, please leave a comment down below and don't forget subscribe my channel more videos uploaded in the future.